Welcome to Week 12 of CSC 121. This week, we're diving into object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is one of the most important programming models used in modern software development. First, let's look at why OOP is so crucial for modern development. In earlier weeks, we wrote procedural programs. OOP shifts focus, organizing programs around objects that contain both data and the functions that operate on that data. OOP is highly effective because it allows for real-world modeling directly within your code. Next, let's define the fundamental concepts of classes and objects. A class acts as a blueprint describing what an object should contain. When we create an instance of that class, we produce an object. Objects are important because they store data in what we call attributes, defining their specific values and state. Let's explore how objects are brought to life and how they define their behaviors. In Python, the constructor method named init initializes new objects. It automatically runs when an object is created to assign starting values and prepare the object for use. Methods define what an object can do. The self parameter allows each object to refer to its own data, ensuring that different instances maintain independent values and keeping code highly organized. Once you master the basics, we move into more advanced concepts like inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance allows one class to build upon another, reducing duplication and letting programmers specialize behavior while keeping shared functionality. Polymorphism means different objects can respond to the same method call in their own way. This allows programs to remain flexible and scalable. This week's readings also introduce how to properly represent your objects as strings. The Real Python readings introduce two important methods, str for readable output and repr for debugging. Implementing these improves clarity when printing or logging objects. As you design classes, remember that exception handling remains important. Methods should validate inputs and respond safely to unexpected conditions using try and except as appropriate. Now, let's review your assignments for Week 12. Be sure to complete all PE2 Module 3 content in Netacad, work through your assigned labs, and review the Real Python OOP materials. Finally, don't forget to take the module exam in Netacad to complete the module. If you have questions about object-oriented programming or this week's assignments, please email me at trboyd@johnstoncc.edu. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next week.